By the end of this video, you'll know how to use the area command to measure the area of a shape or a room. To access the area command, you just have to type in area and press space. Now we're going to be selecting the points that make up the boundary of the area we're looking to measure. And for me, it's going to be this bathroom. So I'm just going to click on either corner of the room. After all the corners have been selected, press space or enter and you'll be given a figure in the command line at the bottom of the screen. And since my document is set up in millimeters, this number is in millimeters squared. To quickly turn this into meters squared, press F2 to open up this window. Click to the left of the decimal point, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the left arrow key on my keyboard 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is where the decimal point will be if it was in meters squared. So this bathroom is 9.6 meters squared. If you happen to be measuring the area of a polygon or an object such as this one I have here, you might find that it's quicker to type O or press object in the command line here once the area tool has been selected. That way we can just click on the object rather than selecting each of the many points that I have here, and then get my area just like that. Subscribe if this was helpful, let me know what you want to learn in the comments, and check the description for the architectural blocks and hatches download form. Once filled out, the file will automatically be emailed to you, as well as a discount to my architectural floor plans and elevations course.